Hello, today let's see another trick, another text trick, how we can make it with Canva. Here our trick. And now let's come back to Canva and we can create it. On the Canva homepage, we can choose, for example, video, click here, and video landscape. Now click on the background and go to the colors and make it black. Go to the left side menu, text and heading, and we can enter the text. For example, I'm entering text reveal. We can change the font. We can go to the fonts and we can make it, for example, Poppins. I make it bold and I want to change its color to yellow. Go to the colors and we can change it. Now go to the position and click center. Now let's go to the left side menu elements and we search for shapes and this one, rectangle. Or we can click letter R and we have the rectangle. We can make it bigger. And make it the same color like a background. Click on the shape, go to the colors, and change it to the background color. Now, click on the text, go to animate, and choose as scanned. And I'm choosing line, or just we can choose word. Okay. Now take the text and click Shift button and drag it below. Go to position, layers, and drag it below our form. Okay, now it is good. Click letter L or go to the elements and search for line and choose graphics. You can take any line or you can choose from the shapes and lines, or you can just click letter L. We have the line. Click Shift button and make it bigger. We can go to the stroke style and adjust the stroke. And I change color to the text color. Now click on the line, go to position and arrange, and let's choose center. Now click on the line and the shape, or go to position, layers, and click on the line, Shift button, and form. Now we can group them. Click group. Now we can adjust our slide's duration. I make it only 1 second. Now let's duplicate our slide. We can adjust it. And now we can duplicate our slide. Click on the slide and Ctrl+D, or here 3 dots and duplicate page, Ctrl+D. Now we can make it longer, for example, 5 seconds. And now click on the line and our shape, click Shift button and drag it down. Now click on the text and Shift button and drag it a little bit up. Click between slides, here between slides, click and choose Match and Move Animation transition. Match and move transition. Okay, now we can see our video. Go to the play button and here you go. I hope you like this quick tutorial. Click like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more, check my course on udemy.com. Here I record Canva Master Course for beginners. Link you will find in the description. See you!